Hey y'all. Happy Monday. We've made it to another week, y'all. So blessed to see another 24. Welcome to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Elijah. Stay for a while. If you're old, hey sis, welcome back, and welcome to a little daily vlog, you know, just to show you guys what I'm up to in this quarantine life. Like I told y'all before, I try to keep busy because I don't want to sit bored all the time, and there's just always work to do, period. So today's task is right now 12:51. I'm supposed to be going to like apartment hunt with my boyfriend, not together, we don't shack up around here, but just our own apartments, and we have like some tours, kind of not really set because of everything is kind of weird right now, so we can't necessarily like go on like I mean, honestly, I prefer to tour things by myself anyway than have like somebody from a complex, or like if you're looking around the house, I would rather tour it myself, kind of. Maybe not a house, but an apartment I can do that myself. But I've called a couple of them around that we want to go look at. Honestly though, y'all, there is one that I want to move into. Like, I narrowed it down to one, and then I kind of found another one that I really liked, from at least the price and the square footage. Everywhere else that's under the number one on my list is open and available to tour. So I mean, I just decided, like, why not today? I don't really have anything else to do, so let's go look at the things I don't want. But I really want to get into the apartment that I found because I just really want living space, and I want my living room to be a nice like work area for me, because we almost out of this lease. It's almost time to go, sis, and I'm ready to go. But I just wanted to get out the house. I wanted to get cute. So right now I just wanted to, you know, feel alive. You know, I just want to be able to feel like I'm going somewhere. So I'm about to do something in my head, probably a puff right now, because I kind of want to throw my wig back on. I kind of want to do that. So I'm gonna stop, you know, rambling. I just wanted to let y'all know what y'all are about to watch, but I will see you when I'm done getting ready. So watch this. And she's back. Stop playing with her. I am done with my makeup. I'm just about to take this down. We are, oh, I hit myself in the eye. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, okay. This is not dry. Wow, I'm definitely about to put this back on. Oh wow. But she is cute. I have never been like, I mean, I love me some good bold lashes, but like everyday looks, I don't wear them. But I just think I'm about to get into like those big like 25mm lashes, baby. And so these lashes are from J. Nicole Minks. This is my friend from Georgia. I just wanted to support because she gave me a coupon code. I don't think it works anymore. I'll ask her if I can still use it. I mean, if y'all want to, just like let me know in the comments if y'all need these really affordable lashes. Like, I don't know people who sell like super expensive lashes, but these are really fluffy and oh baby, I'm fit to only order mink lashes, period. This is the style date night. Comes in these really cute packaging with her cute poly mailers. I just wanted to wear them today because they deserve to be worn, period. Let me put this right back on before my edges fall apart. Do y'all do y'all's makeup before your hair or hair before makeup? I do hair before makeup because for this, I like my edges to be completely dry. Also gotta, oh, y'all, my hair is getting so freaking long. Like, I pulled it, I'm gonna insert a picture from, I think it's like December of last year, that my dad pulled it down to see how far it went on my back. I don't know how long it was in that picture, but yesterday, I pulled it yesterday, and it's like bra strap length now. Like, it's hitting right there. And granted, I do have this weird section in the back that's really long. Like, is that just me? But it's like really long and soft hair. Like, it's a different texture than the rest of my hair. Like, super thick, coarse 4C hair versus, who told this man to come over here? Versus this soft hair. Y'all, he distracted me. But anyway, so the hair in the back is really soft, so I pulled that piece down and that was bra strap length, but the rest of my hair is like a little bit shorter or a little bit tighter. So I don't know. My man just put up. I'm really confused. Yeah, y'all. This man is really. Who told you to come over here?
You're taking too long.
I'm just trying to figure out who told you to come. Like, I saw you pull up.
You knew I was here. You heard.
I knew you was. I saw the gate code.
Come on. Taking too long.
Y'all, this is my Shein order. I ordered some workout clothes. Like, I ordered 2 workout outfits because, like I said, lifestyle changed this. Oh dang, this does not match. This is supposed to be all white, but this is definitely cream. I have a lot of packages coming. This is, excuse me. These are all my packages down here. I'm kind of just letting them like rack up until kind of like all of them come in, except maybe the sponsorship that I have, which I think is those 2 packages. I'm probably just gonna open them a little bit later. This is what we're wearing today. Cute little summer fit. Might take a couple pics. I don't know. I love my little slides. I got these on my birthday last year, but they're starting to be a little dingy. They look pretty white on camera, but no, not in real life. But I'm about to grab me something to eat, maybe a little fruit, you know, some light. And then we'll be headed to the first apartment. All right. Okay, y'all, we are off to the first apartment. Why would you put your mask on my banana? I got a banana.
Not gonna eat the
Shut up! I ain't seen myself looking like something in a long time, but I just got me a banana.
That was your head getting.
I got myself a banana and some water just to feel like I'm doing something because I had a burger last night, y'all. I shouldn't have, but y'all, yeah, y'all pick up if we make it there. It's really up the street though, so I'll take y'all to this apartment when we arrive. All right? Okay, y'all, we're at the first apartment. They literally just was like, just walk in, tour it yourself. Okay. I don't want to go to this one. This one is more expensive. It's out of my little budget for my college apartment. I think it has 2 closets. It has 3 closets. What? I need it. Sis, stop playing. All right, y'all. First apartment down. On to number 2. All right, apartment number 2, y'all. This is the one I'm really excited we got in here. This is the one that I was gonna get originally, but I found the second one. It's actually pretty nice in here. I mean, obviously it's a freaking tour apartment, so obviously it's gonna be really pretty. It's little like I thought though. So this is the problem with this one though, is that it's more expensive and it's smaller than the other one I found. I'm more concerned about the living room area for my workspace. That's literally all my apartment search is for that. And I found the other apartment, which is actually right next door. I think we just gonna try to pull up on them and just see if they'll let us in. We're just gonna try it since it's next door. Yeah, so this is the bedroom. I really am not giving y'all a good tour. Yeah, the bedroom is actually a pretty nice size, actually. This is a really, really big bed. Maybe the bedroom is small and the bed just looks big. I love this painting though. And this is really cute. I'm gonna get some hanging shelves like this. I found some yeah, I found some hanging shelves on Amazon. Laundry suite is in the bathroom, like the washer and dryer and everything. Honestly, I probably wouldn't mind because I don't want to walk to the living room when I could just walk to the bathroom and put my laundry in here. But this is the bathroom. I was also thinking to put my work area like right in this section, like right next to the door. And I mean, if everything, you know, if I end up in this apartment, then I will put it right here because I don't need like a living area. I won't have really much company over here, so this will probably work out perfectly for the space. I just want a bigger space. Like, this is fine. I'll probably get a smaller couch, like a love seat instead of a full couch, but that's what we're working with right now. You ready? All right, let's go to the next apartment. All right, next up. Oh shit. Okay. The bathroom though, sis. Hold on. This is cute. It's probably one of the biggest ones we've seen so far. Are you really getting candy? Oh. Yeah, this is nice though. Nice bar area. Got the carrots. The goldfish. I don't think that's gold anymore. It's definitely yellow fish. This isn't the one I wanted to at all, ever. It's way too much, I think, for the amount of space you get, but that is all for this apartment, you guys. On to the, I think that was it though. I think that's it. All right, so it's all in the car. Okay, y'all, we decided to actually go get some pizza and go to the park, have a little picnic. Well, he decided it. but I had to put the shades on because details. Probably gonna have a little mini photo shoot because your girl's looking a little fly, and I ain't posted nothing on the gram since like January. So I'm just real picky about my feed. Like I really want like a baddie, but you know, not trying too hard baddie feed. That's really what I want. So I think today's look will fit, you know. This our little area, y'all. I'm not gonna show my toes. It's really like off in the woods. God, thank you for this food that we're about to receive today. Thank you for bringing us out here safely. Let us travel back home safely. Let us have a great, awesome, productive summer. And in Jesus' name I pray, amen. Amen. I suggest you guys, while you have this time and we're under the circumstances we're under, even if your state is starting to open back up, just take some time to go be outside with yourself, with your partner, with a friend, really just alone if you can, and just be there. Like don't force anything, just to be there, be you, feel the earth. I'm a country girl, but I'm a city girl. So, ew!
Oh, hell.
Babe!
He ain't gonna mess with us.
Babe!
He ain't gonna mess with us.
Babe!
We need to. Ooh, Lord.
Can we go? Do we go?
No, he not gonna mess with us. He just smelled his food, but boy, ooh. You got that on film?
Y'all, never mind. Don't come outside. Stay inside. Yo, baby took me some really cute pictures. About to get my feet up and the infamous picnic pics. So go over to AllaijaBriann on Instagram. Double tap, follow. Okay, y'all, we are back. Okay, I don't know, does anybody else, when you wear lashes, like, do you know it's time to come off when they start like poking the corner of your eye? Cause baby, oh wow. But right now I'm about to go finish editing this video. I had finished it last night, like almost completely finished, if not all the way finished. I think it was completely finished, and I said I was gonna refilm a part, but I went back to see it like an hour ago, and it was like the footage was messed up. So now I'm about to try to get that together before upload time, which is supposed to be at 7, but it'll probably be at 7:30. So yeah, y'all. Oh, that feels so good. Make sure y'all put y'all lashes back in its case. That's how you keep them. I have so many girls be coming to me and be like, I can't keep my lashes, you know, intact. Put them back when you take them off and stop putting them on the dresser. I put them in my dresser in my car, but put them neatly, safe, to where they won't be, you know, messed with. I really think it's about time for me to change too, because I'm back in the house. So even if I go back out again, it's gonna be in sweat, sis. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, y'all, so I finished uploading the video. YouTube, I don't know if it was YouTube, I don't know if it's people buying beats, but it copyright striking me like twice, just on my beats. And I'm pretty good at like making sure that my beats are not copyrighted, but people could buy beats at any time. So that's something you need to be aware of. If you're looking for copyright free music, find literally, like, just read people's descriptions, because they'll tell you like the specifics, whether you're gonna get copyrighted or you may not, or if you do this you won't. You know, just read. It's fundamental. So I got the video up. If you haven't seen that vlog, it's kind of a vlog, kind of just like a watch me clean type of video. But if you haven't seen it, go click it right there. Watch me be fancy and try to put it in there. But yeah, y'all, so I don't have a lot of workout clothes. I started this whole like weight loss thing journey, I guess I can call it a journey, about a month and a half ago now. Well, I started it on April 7th. At first, I'm gonna be honest, I really thought I was gonna get more down, but I mean, I did really good at first, like with diet and stuff. But my diet, which most of our diets is like our weakest part, but I was still doing good. Like, I learned kind of over the 30 days, the first 30 days is like, you can still kind of eat what you want. Like, you can start eating what you want, like having a bad meal like once a day, and maybe like having a light something, you know, throughout the day. You can do that, but that'll only maintain your weight. You won't lose the weight doing that. You'll lose the weight when you restrict on your diet. I mean, that's just for me. That's what worked for me. I'm gonna make a whole nother video about it for me and how I lost my weight, which I'm still really in the first step, because if we're just gonna break it down to 3 steps, I'm only in the first step, which is the first 10 pounds. I think I gained a couple of pounds back being back in Hattiesburg, but I'm gonna just try to burn that off. So, because we're going hiking tomorrow, I'm really excited about that. I'm really excited my workout clothes came, because that's really what I was waiting on before I tried to go anywhere. I wanted to go hiking in my new workout stuff so I could take me some cute little pics. When I started the journey, I didn't even think about like buying workout clothes. I just was like, let me get started, because like I feel like a lot of times we don't start the weight loss, we don't start a lot of stuff because of excuses. That's just in general, like with life. And I feel like if I was like, oh, I don't have the workout gear and I can't do it, I wasn't gonna, you know, get the work done. So it's like, I'm gonna just I wore like leggings or shorts, some tennis shoes I got from Walmart a couple years ago, and a sweatshirt every single day, and I went walking or running for like 2 miles. And I was just like, I'm not gonna worry about workout gear until I want to, you know, like invest in that. And I mean, not even invest, but just pick up a few things. I tried Walmart, sis, but Walmart's a little expensive, like. But I found on Shein I had a little like a balance on my account, so I just used that, and I got 2 like bralette and legging sets that I'm gonna show y'all right now. All right, y'all. So this is the first fit. Excuse my pink pants, but I hate this. This, y'all can't even see it on camera, cause that looks cute. If it was just like a full opaque white, that would be fine. But it has these white bright pads. Do you see? That's lining. What is this? What is this? I look okay on camera. Look like a gym bang on camera, but I'm not. I'm not, sis. Let me show you the second fit. All right, fit number 2. All black. Okay, I forgot to tell y'all. I don't know if I said it already, but I didn't buy sets. I just bought the same color. Like, this is not a set of like the same pair of leggings and the same bra, same sports bra. And I could tell because this is a completely different material than this. So I really like these leggings. Like, they do what I needed them to do. High-waisted, an elastic band in the waist, like I need. And pockets, sis. I really needed that to be a thing in these leggings. Let me see. Oh, I don't know how I feel about this bra, honestly. It has like a white pad under it, and like you can see, like, even if I try to shake it down, see, like it still keeps trying to peek out. Why they put white pads in it, I don't know. All right, so it's like 10:30 now. Your girl is a little tired. I'm actually a little hungry, but I'm just gonna go to sleep. Another tip, just go to sleep if you get hungry late. But I wanted to show y'all, like, so I'm definitely about to fill out my little return form, because this whole set gotta go back. The whole set. I found this habit book in Walmart on sale for $6, y'all. For $6.99, well, not $6.99, for $6 flat. And it's just like a manifestation book. Y'all know how I feel about manifestation. It's called a habit tracker, but it's pretty much you just write out all your goals, all your plans from like day 1 to day 90. I think it has a whole year, but it says something about creating a lifestyle in 90 days. So I'm really excited for that. I got one for me and my man, so we can create that life. I'm signing out for tonight. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see y'all on my next one. Bye.